Welcome back, mga teachers, and congratulations for passing the pronunciation test. And you are now moving to the demo video, which is the step 4. Yeah, so in doing the demo video, teacher, you have two options. First option is you can submit a video of your actual online teaching to showcase your online classroom and your online teaching skills. So, meaning to say, if you previously applied to a different ESL company and you have a copy of your video demo video, you can actually submit that as a proof that you can do teaching. However, if you don't have, but you have another video or demo video for an actual classroom, let's say it was a demo video created during pandemic and you passed it on a private school. So if I were you teacher, I will not gonna use that video. It's because as we all know, in applying to a private or even public school in doing the demo video online, as far as I know, the first part is doing the prayer. Here in Poly English, it is very important to not discuss about religion, politics, or any taboo topic. So if I were you, I will not gonna use or submit that demo video. Yes, but we also have option two. If you don't have the option one, you can have the option two, which is I recommend. Yeah, so you can re-record a demo using the PowerPoint presentation that they are going to provide. So they are going to, or they will submit the PowerPoint presentation to you via email, or you can actually download that on the platform or on the application portal. Makikita mo lang doon yung option to download the PowerPoint presentation. So yes, that's what I recommend, which is the option two. And actually, in doing the demo video, I highly recommend using the Zoom application, or if you have other application that can provide, screen share para ma-screen share yung PowerPoint as well as makikita yung video mo, just like this one. So what I'm using right now is not a Zoom application, but I am using the screen share application yung nasa Google extension. But you can actually use Zoom application to do your demo video. That's what I did during my application in Poly English. Yeah, so make sure lang that when you do the demo video in the Zoom application, you know how to navigate the application, just like on how to write, how to use the pen, and make sure that um, your voice can be heard during the demo. So if I were you, do a testing, mic test, and video test before you click the record button in the demo or in the application or the Zoom app application. Yeah, so you don't have to worry because they are going to provide a sample video on how to conduct the lesson or the PowerPoint that they will provide. So yes, they will gonna provide a demo video of a teacher teaching on how to teach the certain topic. Yes. So after you are done recording your video, and if you are satisfied with it, you can actually upload it right away on the application portal. You can see their upload video. So in doing the demo video, I highly recommend to practice first before you do your demo. Yes, practice first. Basahin mo yung ano yung nasa PowerPoint, and you can actually watch videos on how to do it, and as well as study the sample video na if that they are going to that they will provide to you. Yeah, so just study, just take down notes on how you can improve during the demo video, because this is the important part of the application, which is the demo video. They will gonna check if you can really handle the class very well, and if you can really teach the lesson well to the certain student. Yes. So once you're done, you can upload your video to the application portal. Yes. So teach question. Pwede po ba siyang i-take many times or you can record it many times? Yes, it's up to you on how many times you will record your demo video. But you only have one attempt to upload your video or your demo video. So if I were you, practice first before you record and upload your demo video. Yeah. So important thing is you need to have a Poly English logo during the demo video. It's very important now that we can see the Poly English logo on your demo. Yes, on your video. So just print one out. Just print out a Poly English logo and paste it on your background as well as your teacher's name. Yes. So important things to there are some important things to remember or to take note during the demo. First is you need to have a proper lighting, of course. Dapat maliwalas. Next is you need to have good posture. Yes, hindi yung naka-slouch. You need to breast out and then be confident. You need to look confident. And for the camera angle, you need to have eye level camera. Hindi yung nasa kilid lang. Dapat nakaganyan. One arm apart from you. Yes. Next is you need to have a good background. So as what I've mentioned, dapat meron yung Poly English logo as well as your teacher's name. And if you can add some designs or pictures that is connected to teaching, well, that's better as well. And you need to have a proper dress code. No sandals, no sleeveless, just a polished shirt with collar or anything na you look professional. Yes. And no visual distraction and noise control. So walang dumadaan sa likod, just you. Dapat ikaw lang yung nakikita sa video and no noise control. Make sure that ikaw lang yung naririnig sa demo video mo. Yeah, so if there are some people in your house that are very noisy, you can ask a favor from them to minimize their voice because you're doing your demo video. Yeah, so in teaching skills, you need to be energetic and attentive as well. So hindi yung parang, hello, welcome to my class. Dapat you're smiling. You need to smile before, during, and after the demo video. Yes, and you need to be attentive. So you don't have to worry because walang student during the demo, but mayroong isang picture ng student. So just pretend that you are really teaching to a actual student. And next is you need to have a TPR, or yung sinasabi nating typical total physical response. Yes. Yun yung sinasabi nating total physical response. So, kung sino man dito yung hindi pa or wala pang ESL experience, when we say total physical response or TPR, ito yung mga actions ng mga your hands, your facial expression. Like, for example, how are you? Nice to meet you. What is it? What can you see in the picture? Can you see teacher? Can you hear teacher? Yes, no, so mga ganyan. So those are the examples of total physical response or TPR. So next is you need to have a talking pace, proper, or let's say a good talking pace. Wag yung mabilis and wag naman yung napakabagal. You need to have a proper talking pace. So just pretend that you are teaching a zero level, o yung sinasabi nating wala talagang alam sa English na student, or yung level zero. So don't talk too fast and don't talk too slow. So yung regular lang, or yung moderate lang, ganon. And next is you need to have a reward. So if I were you, you need to print out some stars, cupcakes. What I used during my demo was cupcakes, and you can, if you have toys at home, you can show it to the student like, wow, good job, I'll give you a cupcake, yum yum, very good, wonderful. Yes, so yes, you can use props or rewards like stars, good job, or you can even do a thumbs up or clap your hands, ganyan. So we have many rewards in Google, you can search one and print out some. Yes, so those are the important things to remember during, or even before the demo. So yes, please take note, as what I've mentioned, they will provide a sample video for the demo. Yeah, so just study. Wag skip doon sa sample video because you will get many things, many tips on how to ace the demo. Yes. So good luck mga teachers. I know you can do it. And if I were you, the early you submit your demo video, the early you will get a result. Yes. So pray lang, teach, practice before you do your demo video. Yeah. So after you're done with your demo video, as what I've mentioned, just upload it on the application portal and wait for 48 to 72 hours for them to review your demo. Yes, so but usually it depends actually on the hiring process. So as for this month of October, we are still receiving applications from teachers, so it really depends. Sometimes mabagal, sometimes madali lang yung application. Yeah, so sa sinasabi kong the early you submit your application, the early you will get a result. Yeah, so be positive lang teachers and pray lang always. So I'll see you on the next video for the step 5, which is the training. See you there, teachers.